Hey guys, Nika here, and we're going to do a little cooking today. Today we're going to make a creamy chicken Parmesan with basil, and we're actually going to use some of this green chili wine that I have to make the white sauce. So let's get started. What you're going to need today is some chicken, a cup of basil. I'm going to put it on a bed of wild rice. You're going to need a cup of Parmesan cheese, about 4 cloves of garlic or 4 pieces of garlic minced, some pepper. I got these orange peppers out of my garden, 3 tablespoons of butter, about a half onion chopped, minced actually, if you can, get it as small as you can, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, some salt and pepper. You're gonna need a cup and a half of heavy cream, about a half a cup of white wine, and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili or red pepper flakes. Okay guys, so we're gonna start this by putting the pan on the heat, and we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the butter and we're gonna put it in the pan. And we're gonna leave 1 tablespoon because we're gonna saute some other things. And we're just gonna get this butter melted in here. Just start melting the butter in there. And we're gonna salt and pepper this chicken while we put it on. So let's just put some pieces of chicken in here. You want the chicken thinly sliced, about like that. That way it cooks fast. You don't want big thick pieces in there. This one sliced a little bit, and we're just going to fill up the pan with the chicken. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes, turning it and peppering it. Okay, that should be good. I have a couple pieces left. That's okay. And we're going to cook this chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is cooking really good. We're gonna salt and pepper this. I usually add more pepper than salt. I usually don't even cook with salt. I'm gonna leave off the salt, but if you want to salt your food while you're cooking, go ahead. Okay guys, so now we're gonna turn these. We're just gonna turn white. In about 2 minutes, and then we're going to cook it on the other side. Okay, and now we're going to pepper this side. We want to get this a little spicy. All right, so we're going to let that cook for a couple more minutes. You want to make sure you thoroughly cook this chicken. That's very important. So we're going to leave it for about another minute or 2. Okay guys, so it's getting done. Let's flip these over one more time, just to make sure that they're thoroughly cooked. I want both sides to be thoroughly cooked. Okay guys, so this looks like it's done. So let's just remove the chicken out of the pan. I'm using a non-stick pan. We're gonna add another tablespoon of butter in there. I know this is a lot of butter, guys. I don't usually cook like this. I like this recipe. So we're going to add 3 to 4 pieces of garlic minced in here. We're going to add a couple of peppers. These are orange bite peppers that I got out of my garden. We're going to add the onion in there. We're going to add the paprika in here. There's about a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika we're adding in here. And a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're gonna add in. Okay guys, so we have onion, we have pepper, we have paprika, we have garlic, have red orange bites, peppers in here. So we're gonna cook this until the onions are limp. Okay guys, so this is about ready. Those onions look translucent to me. The peppers are limp as I want them. You don't want to go overboard. Now we're going to add the wine just to deglaze the pan. It's a half a cup of green chili white wine. And let's get it to cooking again. We're going to reduce the heat. Okay guys, so now we're just going to add the cream to the mixture. That's a cup and a half of heavy cream. I'm going to stir it. And let's let that come to a simmer. And now we're going to add the Parmesan. That's about a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to add to that. Let's stir it. That Parmesan melt in there. That smells good. And now we're going to add the chicken back into this mixture. And we're going to bring that to a simmer. Okay guys, so now it's really starting to simmer. So now we're going to add some of our basil in here. And it'll shrink down. And let's save a couple of these leaves just for garnish. And let's stir these in here. Get them spread throughout the pan. Ooh, that looks good. Let's let that simmer for about a minute or two, just to get the basil and the chicken and let it all saturate in there. Look at that. That is looking really good. Okay guys, this is done. I'm going to remove this from the heat. We're going to serve this on a bed of rice. Just get one of these. Oh, that looks delicious. Just add a little bit for garnish. This looks so good. Okay guys, time for the taste test. The moment of truth. I'm gonna get a little bit of this garlic. I'm gonna get a little of this basil, a little rice. That is really good. Okay guys, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.